In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a continuous section break in Microsoft Word. A continuous section break is perfect when you want to change formatting in the middle of a page without forcing the content onto a new page. Think of scenarios like switching to two columns for a small part of your document, adjusting margins for a single section, or using a different header or footer style on part of a page. This gives you precise control while keeping everything on one continuous page. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the new formatting to begin. That location becomes the boundary between what comes before and what comes after. If you're planning to change the layout of a specific paragraph or a block of text, click at the start of that paragraph so the new section applies cleanly from that point forward. Next, go to the ribbon at the top of Word and open the Layout tab. There, click the Breaks button to open the drop-down menu. In the Section Breaks area, choose Continuous. This is the option that keeps everything on the same page while creating a new section behind the scenes. It's different from a next page section break, which would push the following content onto a new page. After you select Continuous, your document won't visibly change yet, but Word has created a boundary that lets you format the upcoming section independently. Now apply the formatting you want for the new section. You can switch part of the page to multiple columns, adjust the margins for this section only, or customize the header and footer for just this portion. Because section formatting is section-specific, any change you make now applies from the break onward, without affecting the content above. For example, if you turn on columns after the continuous break, only the text following that break flows into columns, while the earlier text stays in a single column. To confirm that the break is in the right place, turn on Show Hide for non-printing characters. Go to the Home tab and click the paragraph symbol, which looks like a reversed P. You'll see a faint label in your document that says Section Break, Continuous, marking exactly where the section starts. This view is especially helpful if you're troubleshooting formatting, since it reveals the invisible structure guiding your layout. That's all there is to it. Place your cursor, insert a continuous section break from Layout and Breaks, apply the formatting you need, and verify with Show Hide. With this simple technique, you can fine-tune layouts with confidence and keep your document looking professional and consistent.